Hi, my name is Eva, and I will be talking about how astronomers measure things they cannot see in space. For some of you who may not know, a famous comet called Neowise visited our solar system last summer. Its long tail can be visible by the naked eye. This is what I saw. This is what an astronaut saw. Comet Neowise visited our solar system at a speed of 17,500 miles per hour. The closest distance from the comet to Earth was 64.3 million miles. Because we can still see it, it is easier to estimate its size and distance. But what about the other planets? What about the other galaxies? We can't see the entire thing with our own eyes, so how do they do it? Well, there are several ways. First, by traveling, such as space probes and rocket ships. For thousands of years, humans have gotten used to learning things by sight. So, the best way for us to learn about space is to go into it and see it with our own eyes. In April 1970, astronauts from NASA's Apollo 13 mission went to the far side of the moon, setting the record of the furthest travel from humans. And then, we also sent space probes to explore. Voyager 1 has traveled 14.1 billion miles away from Earth, which set its record for the farthest traveling space probe ever recorded in history. Since 1977, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched. They have taken thousands of pictures of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Second, the Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope is 13.3 meters long, about the size of a big school bus. It can see from 10 to 15 billion light years, which is pretty far. It has taken more than 1.3 million pictures. If it were broken, Mike Massimino, part of a very elite club, fixes it. The NASA Space Agency operates it. Third, studying radio waves from other objects. A radio wave is an electromagnetic wave of frequency in between 10 to the exponent of 4 to 10 to the exponent of 12 hertz. It is at the short end of wave frequency and can be used for long-distance communication. Astronauts analyze the radiation of the waves to estimate the size, the strength, the length, the distance, and even the speed of motion. It is estimated that it would take 4 years if a radio wave came from Earth to the closest star. So, there are many ways for us to estimate things when we cannot see. As our technology develops day by day, there will be more and more different ways for us to estimate size, distance, and motion. Our future is unknown. Thank you for watching.